Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1. Tesla earnings. Tesla shares have recently experienced significant losses for several reasons. The automotive sector has been struggling over the past year due to supply chain problems, chip shortages, labour shortages, lockdowns in key markets, and rising costs. Other causes include the conflict between Elon Musk and Twitter. This week, Tesla is set to report its third quarter financial results, where downgrades have been somewhat priced in given the stock price's decline of more than 20% since late September. Number 2. Downside risks to quarter 3 earnings. The third quarter earnings season kicks into high gear this week, which is interesting to know, but unfortunately expectations among the brightest brains on Wall Street are pessimistic. A strong dollar, increased interest rates, supply chain disruptions, and higher labour and input expenses are just a few of the things that are predicted to have an impact on corporate profit margins and consequently earnings per share. With all these difficulties, it's understandable that industry analysis anticipate the worst third quarter earning growth in years. Number 3. More inflation data. Another wave of inflation data will be issued this week from the Eurozone, Canada, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom, with the Euro, Loonie, and Kiwi dollar all in the firing line. Higher inflation rates will make it even tougher for central banks to decide whether to suffer higher prices for longer or bring on a recession with more rate hikes, even though some appear to have begun to end monetary tightening phase. Number 4. BOE support ending. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey shattered the ambitions of pension funds last Tuesday by saying that the Bank of England would not extend its $65 billion bond buying intervention into the following week. After the governor spoke, sterling dropped against the US dollar and the euro, briefly falling below $1.10, but rebounded as markets priced in an extension of its monetary support in the gift market following contradictory reports in the media. Any additional remarks made by members of the BOE should impact pound trading throughout this week. Number 5. Bank of Japan intervention. The Japanese yen has unwound all its gains following the Bank of Japan's intervention on September the 22 by mid last week. It's unclear what more the central bank will do to strengthen the currency, which recently traded at its lowest level in 24 years. Even though currency interventions are expensive and may not have impact on the yen's value in the vast global foreign exchange market, it appears that Japan's policymakers are not particularly pleased with the current FX rates. Now the BOJ has started down the path of intervention, it seems they must continue to do more, possibly setting up a battle with Forex speculators. You can of course click on the link in the description below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and the consensus expectation at this time. But for now, thanks everyone, good luck trading this week, and remember to give a quick smash of that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.